All right, so let's take a look at how we got this set up here. You can see we got the Hcalory heater, the toolbox heater, plus we have the exhaust right there. Plug goes into the back, comes all the way up. We'll actually go around and connect to the battery. And then it's okay because I have jump boxes, spare battery, we have jumper cables and burn. The heat will then come out and go right into the foot of my tent right there, and should be nice and toasty. It does have a remote, it does have an app that I can use also, so should be really, really good. All right, so we had to change the location a little bit here because it started snowing and I wanted to get it out of the rain and whatnot. But you can see we got her up and running right now. So she's starting to heat up. We got her on setting 7, I think, because it's cold. It is cold. All right, everybody, forgive me. I don't have the microphone on. It's 22 degrees is what I think I saw. And it is snowing like crazy. So, yeah, I'll show you how bad it's snowing. So, I don't know if you can see, it's really fine. It's a really, really fine cold, like in snow. And you can see in that light, it's coming down like crazy. But that heater worked absolutely amazing. I literally slept in my Tadentas and I had one blanket and I was absolutely perfect all night. It was great. So now we're gonna try and clean up and get out of here before we can't get out of here. Yeah. So it's like 6 in the morning and it's cold. My hands are freezing. All right, so first assessment of the Hcalory toolbox model. Really good. So it ran for about 10 hours and you can see there's the fuel level. So it did really good, and it ran from about 8 o'clock till 6 o'clock this morning. And yeah, it performed very, very well. I am really excited about this one.
All right, so today we got the new Hcalory that we're gonna go ahead and unpack. And then we're gonna test it out actually today, as we're headed out camping with Carlander. So it's snowing here, it's like 40 degrees already. So when we hit the mountains, it should be pretty cold. So we're gonna give it a shot between the new Hcalory. Should be good. All right, so first and foremost, let's see what we got in the box. So the last one of these, I actually had to buy extra parts, so it actually connected to the battery the way I wanted it to. So hopefully this one's a little better. So don't get me wrong, I really love the first one. Alright, so right off the bat, we have a box. Let's see what we got. So yeah, right off the bat, we've got a much nicer plug. So that's nice. We have a much nicer manual also, so that's super nice. I'm a little bit worried already. That's a 110. So I'm not sure what that is.
but it is I think what they call it is a toolbox. That must be the plug that goes in there. So I'm pretty sure that's what they call it. They call it a toolbox heater, which right off the bat is much nicer and already just much better. So this would be my exhaust. Here's my way to go straight to the battery for a 12 volt. So that's perfect. So not worried anymore. Here's my muffler and my exhaust. So that's cool. All right, so let's take a look right off the bat. You guys can see here, it's got a little compartment here. This is my remote control. On the other side here would be my digital display and my power for everything. Shows me everything that I need to know about the heater. And then we'll dive into this a little bit more as we go. One thing I really like about this one is a little fuel gauge type of a thing. So yeah, one of the things I like is the exhaust is on a side. So the last one dumped straight down, so you had to really lift the heater up to even get the exhaust connected to it. So let's go ahead and crack this open here. I don't know what's going to look like in here. I'm sure this is how I fill it with deep. Oh yeah. So very nice situation. You can see the heater tucked in there rather nicely. This is my fuel. So that's tucked in rather nicely. So all in all, so far I am really excited and happy about this one. That is for sure. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one for right now. So we'll get this up and going here tonight, and hopefully it stays warm. Right?